Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy G Waters again, back with another video. This is gonna be a quick one. I just got in some upgraded foam for the Goggles 2. It's more like a foam material. It's really soft, it's not so hard and slick like that one. So I'm hoping that it gives a little more comfortable feel. This is the first upgrade foam I've seen for the Goggles 2. But it's from China, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of it, but I thought since I saw it, so I just thought maybe I'll try it out. And what first thing I noticed is it doesn't look like you can use the clips. So, and there's no real way of taking that off and replacing it with this, so I don't know how I'm not 100% sure how that's going to be, but we'll try it out. Oh, I didn't notice this. Looks like this may be some kind of Velcro or something. Let's see. Like I said, it's from China, so we'll have to. Yeah, it looks like Velcro. Okay, so it comes with little Velcro strips. It looks like it's the lock. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. It's not too confidence inspiring to me. So we'll see how it actually works. It may work. You never know. We'll check it out. So I'm guessing, what I'm assuming is that you put some around, or maybe it just sticks to this alone. That's okay. I got it. Yeah. So basically, it just sticks to. And it actually sticks pretty good. So I guess what I'll do is I'll place the Velcro around where the clips were. I mean, that seems like that makes a little sense to me. So I'll try that. I don't know if I want to cover the clips, because I may want to go back to the stock ones, but we'll see. I probably won't be able to right away tell you what I think about it. I'll have to actually go out and fly and everything, and I'll see I'll definitely let you guys know how it feels. But it's kind of hard to tell just by putting them on, because to be honest, the stock ones are pretty comfortable to me at first. It's just wearing them for extended periods of time and the problem seems to start. So we'll see. I'm just hoping that they're a little more comfortable. That's the biggest thing the biggest problem I had with these goggles were the comfort over a period of time. So, and I wouldn't even say that they were uncomfortable per se, just like right as soon as I put them on. But I will say that over time, yeah, I didn't really feel like they were as comfortable as they could have been. But at the same time, I'm not one of those people that's just, it's uncomfortable. It's I complain about it all the time. If I wear them long enough, I'm pretty fine with it. But I always felt like it could be a little more comfortable, just like the old V2s and V1s. I feel like they were kind of the same, where at first, until people start getting updated foam, they weren't that comfortable. To be honest, I don't I don't think anything's comfortable because I don't like things on my face. So that's the reason why I don't wear my glasses, because I just don't like, I don't feel comfortable with things on my face. But we'll see how these work. Which I know that's pretty bad coming from somebody that wants to fly FPV, that you don't like something on your face. But it's what it is. You know, I'm not a huge complainer, so like a lot of people. So I just kind of go with whatever it is. Sometimes you just have to make those sacrifices for the things you want to do. Okay, so far, I mean, I guess it's staying on there decently. I don't know how, Okay, one thing I can say. One thing I'll say immediately, I've only just put them to my face. You can't see me, I know, but I just held them to my face, and I will say that the light leak is practically gone. Like light leak is, I don't see any light leak really at all. I kind of see it on the side, but I think that's only because I don't actually have the straps on the strap on my head. I just kind of held them to my face. But I have to say that these are 100% better than the stock ones, and I'm definitely going to be using this. And I paid, I want to say I paid about $10 for it, or maybe even less, maybe about 6. And it came from China. It took a while. Oh yeah, these are definitely 100% better. I mean, as far as light leak goes, it's gone. I could turn them on and see if I have enough. If it affected the actual vision any. But let's see. And like I said, you guys can't see me, but it wouldn't matter anyway. Oh yeah, these are much better. I can adjust the diopters the way I like them, and I was afraid that they may push it too far away from my face and the diopters wouldn't work properly. But that I can assure you that's not a problem at all. I mean, obviously I'm still getting some fogging. I always get that in these goggles. I get a little bit of fogging. I mean, it's not a lot, but I get some. Oh yeah, these are perfect. I can't, it's a night and day difference, guys. Seriously. So yeah, but I'll put a link up for where I got them. I got them from Amazon. I got them. No, actually, I got them eBay. Yeah, eBay is where they came from. So got them from eBay, and they came from China. So it's whatever's involved in getting things from China. You know how that goes if you've ever ordered anything from China. It may take a while. And to be honest, it really didn't take too long. It's the what day is it? Been rocking around all day and don't know the day. It's the 13th. I ordered them around the 7th, so it didn't take too long. But like I said, it's a China product. So I didn't expect much from it. But to be honest, guys, this is what DJI should have used from the beginning. These things this is crap. Like, I don't know why they use that, but the way these things are, I'm excited to use these now, because at first it was just like, okay, after a while I want to use my V2s just because of the comfort, and it used to hurt my nose in this area and everything a little bit. It started to rub my nose, kind of raw there. But these things, they feel comfortable. They feel like what these things should feel like. So I definitely recommend it. But in any case, I'll put a link down and to where I got them, and you know, if you guys want to pick them up. But that's a game changer for those goggles. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I say keep saying I'm trying to get my subscribers up. So if you help me out with that, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Peace.